Well, this is the fireworks stand in Angeles City. Getting ready for New Year's. I don't know what's allowed. That's why I gotta check on this. Some of these are really big. Okay, these are all fireworks. Not sure how much these are. These here are for the serious. Okay, well, great.
Price, we have
Like,
60, 70.
namura lang. I don't want to
Lang,
spend
yes.
lots.
Yeah.
Like this, how much? Maybe
80.
80.
80
Okay,
pesos.
okay. But these are expensive.
Yeah.
Like,
Not really.
how much? Magkano? Siguro.
Yung malaki, yung pinakamalaki. Yung ganito.
This one, like this. 4,000 maybe.
No, no. There's only we one, two.
Ah, one, two.
Yes.
Wow, very cheap. You're cheaper than there.
Yeah.
The other one's very expensive. And how about that? That's a roll of 5,000 or?
Which one? The one
Yeah.
we just only 500 and 500 and 1,000
Oh, okay.
rounds only.
And how much is that?
The 500 rounds is 550 and
550.
the 1,000 is
1 1? Okay. And you lay it on the ground and light it
Yeah.
and run?
No, I no, not run.
Walk fast? Okay. And how about that one? The
It's 200.
Oh, mura lang. Okay. And last but not least, what the top?
Which one? Three layer?
The big one, yeah.
Or the
Flame of something.
flame. Oh, ito yung ano. That's straight 5.
Okay, good.
That's 7 shots.
Okay.
Shell. It's aerial.
But
Like in the ano.
but you have to only do it in rural area, right?
Yes.
Or on the beach?
Maybe, but you can fire in the
Street? Oh, really?
Just
Okay.
put a block both sides so it not melt down.
Or like hollow block?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Okay, well, I'll show this to my wife and... Well, as I said, these are all fireworks, getting ready for New Year's. And they got it in this isolated area, so it's safe. And that's 10,000 rounds
Yes.
in 5,000 pesos.
20 rounds, 8,000.
Wow. And how long would that last? Maybe
Uh,
2 minutes? 1 minute?
to ano, 3 to 5. 3 to 5. 3 to 5 minutes.
Oh, okay, good. Okay, good. Thank you, huh? Sige, I'll show them. And how much is the bombshell?
3-5.
3.5 lang? 7 shots?
Yeah.
Okay. But is it easy to operate, to fix, to use?
Yes, easy to use.
With a match or a fuse?
Much. Use much.
And get a price. Oh, sure. Sure. And how much is this?
650, sir.
650.
Just
Okay.
100 shots.
What about like
Sutter Miss Neck.
sparklers?
Sparkler, this one.
Yeah.
Yeah, just sparkler for just baby only.
Yeah, for the little
And
kids.
in this is losses also.
Ah,
This one
okay.
is for baby also. Just
And this is for baby, right?
yeah, and also
Okay, and how much is this?
this is 100.
Ay,
And
mura
this
lang.
one is that's not expensive.
Yeah. Oo.
And this one is magkano bitaw mo dito? 70.
Okay,
Yeah, just
great.
baby.
Okay, and they
This
just
one
hold
is,
it?
Mabuhay, yeah. And this right, yeah. This one.
Okay,
Five
they
colors.
only hold it like that?
Yeah, and same also. This is 5 colors, any kind of colors, 5 colors.
Ah, okay. Because I have many kids.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then also baby racket. But your case is girl or boy?
Boy.
Okay, it's sellable for the baby racket.
Okay, good. And how much is the baby rockets?
50.
Ay, mura lang.
And if you want to buy whole, 600. This one, 600.
Ah, okay. But not dangerous?
Huh?
Not danger?
No, just for baby only.
Okay, I always worried, my
And
kids.
this one for baby only, and this pilipaw also. This
Okay.
one is you put the ground and you
Happy
Cindy.
ball.
Yeah, and
Okay.
this turner about the
Ah, okay,
yes,
good.
this baby only.
Like this
This
one?
one is this one. This one is
Ah,
walis for the Tagalog. Okay, and you put also in this you sinde, and then
ah, okay.
makaintindi ng Tagalog eh. Yes, pa.
Okay, good. And that's like one package, how much?
Magkano kasi yung ganito mo eh? Buo? 600. 500. Okay, I give you discount 500.
Okay,
But if you buy one is 2 pesos only.
Ah, okay. But it's safety.
Yes.
Can it get hurt, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Because some is very dangerous, right? Like the big ones.
Iris, but no, not dangerous. Just fireworks only. For
Ah,
the
fountain?
yeah,
Oh.
fireworks. Aerial.
Ah,
This one is fountain for local.
Pekano? Siguro.
The battery is 180 and whiskey. Ay, battery 280, whiskey 180, and Sputnik also is 180.
Sputnik.
Yeah.
Sputnik's the best, right?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
Fountain. And this one is fountain also.
This is cheap.
Na?
Magkano?
Just 120.
Oh, mura lang.
Yeah,
Okay.
this one I have crackling.
Okay, good. Oh, wow.
Fountain lang.
And how long would this last? How many minutes? Siguro.
3 series.
Okay.
Yeah.
So maybe 1 minute?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, well, I don't want to disturb your lunch anymore.
It's okay sa ano sa'yo?
Okay, well, thank you very much. I like your store. Everything's really nice.
6 kids nga. 6 kids nga.
Okay, thank you very much.